Hello everyone, this is Kathleen with Be Again Books, and I'm here very fast to just show you a quick method for deglossing some images. I had an old recycled photograph that was in a pile of stuff, and I really like it. I love it. In fact, for this page, I've made a scalloped edge and done a little piercing and punched a little leaf here, but I really don't like the gloss and I don't want to see that in this journal, and I don't want it to be awkward with fingerprints and stuff, so I want to take the gloss off. And so I just thought I would turn on the camera and show you how I'm going to do that. I'm going to use matte medium, and so let me get a just this is what I use, the matte gel, and I'm just going to dab it on and then we'll dry it. So let me just get a little bit out. I don't know how much I'm going to need. But I'm just going to use this makeup sponge and just dab it on. It's going to create a little bit of texture, but it's going to dry clear. But it's also going to take the gloss off. It will alter it, the photo, the film, slightly, but not significantly. The journal, the trashy journal, is coming along really well. It's actually almost done. We've done the cover, we've done the inside. I have it bound. I found the perfect button this morning in my button box for the cover, so I decided it is going to have a button closure. Okay, I think I've got all of it. Let me just kind of hold it up to the light and see if there's a little bit of right here. Don't see anything more. Good. All right. So this is so expensive. I'm going to scrape that back into the jar because, oh my gosh, I want to get every last bit of it. And I put some plastic wrap underneath just to make a better seal so that it doesn't dry out. All right, so that's done. Now let's hit that with, sorry, here we go again. This is going to go really fast though. But I do have to be a little careful because I don't want to bubble the photo. So I don't want to get the heat gun too close. So the other nice thing about using that medium is that if I wanted, it creates a base, and so if I wanted, I could then put other medium on top of the photo now. I could do a wash, a glaze. I could work with it, you know, a little more if I want. You can see how that's really taken the gloss off and created kind of a canvas effect on top of the photo. Okay, that's basically dried. All right, now we'll turn that over and give this just a little bit of distress around the edges now. Okay, there, that's that. That was pretty fast. So let's bring the journal back, and now that's gonna go right there. So let's get the glue. Oh gosh, that's so much better, I think. There, see, there is a little bit of gloss, and I know that Mod Podge makes an ultra matte Mod Podge. They have a, you know, a variety of different styles of Mod Podge, and they do have an ultra matte that will also degloss stuff. Let me just see if I can find a little card. And oh my gosh, I have such a wreck here on the, nope, that's too big. It is, oh, here's a little tag I'm going to finish somehow. Anyway, but that's just going to create that pocket right there. I really like it, like the way that turned out. Thanks for joining me.